Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to turn on the accessibility player on a YouTube app. So accessibility player refers to features that make the app usable for people with disabilities, particularly those who are blind or have low visions, and provides also specific accessibility controls such as buttons for pausing, minimizing, and expanding the video player. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open your YouTube app on your mobile device and then tap this YouTube. And then once you open up, and then on top right corner, then you need to click this three vertical dot icon here. So this is the more settings or more options, and then click. So here now at more options, and then you need to select the settings. And then once you open up the settings, and then you need to scroll down and under at video and audio preferences, and then you need now to select this accessibility and then click. And then here now at accessibility, and then you can see this accessibility player. So display accessibility controls and the player. So if you want to enable or disable, and on right side you can see this button and then click. That means it's already enabled or turned on. Alright, so you can hide also this player controls. So this is the selection, also this is the option settings, and then click. So hide player controls. So you can choose when player controls are hidden. Then you need to select these options like use device settings. And then after 3 seconds, after 5 seconds, after 10 seconds, or after 30 seconds, or never. Alright, so once you choose this one and then click that one. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful and guide on YouTube app settings. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest mobile guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.